Artificial Intelligence Unit 4 negotiation. So the topic started language, natural language. What are the natural language we have used by human? So natural language is used by human and evolves over time. And examples: English, grammar, Mandarin. So this is natural language. An artificial language is invented and designed language. It may be intended for human or non-humanous. Example: Lochban, Esperanto, Klingon. So these are the things as artificial intelligence language. Also, it's a programmable language. In formal language, rigidly defined, precise syntax and specified semantics. Example: mathematical logic, programming language. So again, the natural language is used for the human and evolves over the time. Example: English, German. An artificial language it's invented and designed and may be intended for human or non-human use. And formal language, a precise syntax and rigidly defined, that specifies semantics. Example for mathematical logic, programming languages. Communication model is a conversation between internal representation and communication language. So there is a encode message model and situated language model. So encoded message model, the proportion of the speaker is encoded with the sign which are transmitted to the hearer. The hearer tries to decode the sign to retrieve the original proposition. Situated language mode, the intended meaning of message depends upon the signals as well as the situation which they were exchanged. The intended meaning of the message depends upon the signal as well as the situation in which they were exchanged. The first model, the communication problems are due to the noise or errors. To encoding or decoding the second model, they consider the misinterpretation. Types of communication agent. So telepathic communication. So that's the one type. It's a sad internal representation of communication through tell and ask. It's a telepathic communication model. And representation, it's a common representation format, common set of symbols, and namely the symbols by different agent and relation between the symbols are introduced by different agent, and reconciliation of agents is knowledge based access to other agents. So these are the representation of communication. The language based communication is a speaker agent produce the sign that other agent can perceive the interpret. Language based communication. So language based communication, so there is a speaker, so speaker produce the communication part, hearer receive or perceive or interpret the messages from sender. And communication language, it internal representation, communication purpose or process, it might be a mapping internal representation of the speaker to the common communication language, an internal representation of the hearer. Communication action, the language generation, analysis, and integration of perceived sign. Types of dialogues: deliberation, and negotiation. So there are two type of uh, dialogue here they given. One is deliberation and one is negotiation. So initial situation, need for action, main goal, reach the decision, and participation aims, influence and outcome. And subtypes, board meeting, war planning. So negotiation is a conflict of intersects and need for cooperation. So making a deal, guess the best for oneself. And bargaining, union negotiation, land dispute, it's a subtypes of negotiation. For deliberation, it's a reach of decision and influence of outcome, it's a participation aim. For negotiation, making a deal and get the best for oneself. Classic negotiation or negotiating agent. So the proposal of database is started from location interpretation. The proposal content maybe is a proposal database. So proposal database, once it is proposed, the content is proposed. So someone here the proposed content and they will raise the query. The opponent environment or model or mental attitudes. So those some people will be raise the queries to the proposal content. So after the proposal reached, then the proposed getting evaluated and generated based on the query. Then the proposed will be sent to location generation. So in there the proposed might be accept or reject. So this is basic classic negotiation agent process. So basic negotiated element. So location interpretation is into proposal history. So proposal is a protocol reasoner. They will be reached the protocol. Then proposal evaluated after the raising query. Then there will be sent. Then there is a updation. Updation get it from apparent model or mental attitude, and then environmental model. So after that proposal evaluated by these three components, then they send it to response generator. Then they will be accept or reject that particular proposal. So what is negotiation? Negotiation is a form of interaction which a group of self-interested agents with the conflicting interest and the desire cooperate to attempt to reach agreements. So the resources, the bandwidth, memory, money, processing power, fuel, equipment. So these are the things as negotiation and component of negotiation mechanism, agent, rules and protocols, outcomes. So these are the components of negotiation. So outcomes set to the possible deals, negotiation state or conflict. So mechanism and participation strategies. That's the outcome of negotiation components. Thank you.